Welcome back to the channel, guys. On this video, part 4, we're going to actually divert a little bit. And I remember in the first video I told you about the app, Amazon Seller, where you can find on in the iTunes store, not the iTunes store, but the iStore, and then also the Google Play Store. You can actually find this app, and what this app does, it has a scanner on it. Anything you scan around the world, you can scan that thing and it'll come up on Amazon, and they give you a price, whether you can sell it or not, how much you will get from said product. So you guys want to download this and start practicing around the house. That way you can actually get the form and the nuances of the next video, which is going to be retail arbitrage, and then the next video of online arbitrage. You want to get the concept of doing that. But this is just practice, guys, so you guys can get fully focused on how to actually run an Amazon business. Now you can go around. It's easy to download. It's free. It actually absolutely hooks up to your Amazon store. So you want to have your Amazon store already set up before you download the app. You set the store up. You link your app to it, and what'll happen is, remember I told you guys I had my store on hiatus, but just so you guys we're gonna start working through this thing together. So, these are some of the items I scanned. So yeah, these are some of the items I scanned. What they'll do is the product name, how much it sells for, the FBA fee, that's included in the $3.25. So you get a profit of $1 and change. Not bad for I think I paid $1 for that, so it's a 25-cent return on that product. Okay, yeah. So you want to go through this. Actually, download the Amazon Seller, and then after that, you want to start practicing on your house. And then, guys, you guys can actually start going to some of these rummage sales, some of these clearance racks, and you can start scanning stuff and getting that practice in. And then if you see something that's worth you buying, you can actually buy. Okay, so you want to first of all, you want to make your store, download the seller, and then scan stuff around your house, stuff that you don't need. Go to rummage sales, and this, guys, is just for you to get the practice before we start rolling into the actual retail arbitrage or the online arbitrage or the warehouse. So just so you can see how this stuff is functioning and how it sets up. We'll see you next time on the next video. Click like, subscribe. Let's walk through this together before you start buying those thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of courses. That's why I reset everything on my Amazon store so we can actually walk through it together and figure this thing out. Well, I figured it out already, but I can show you from complete scratch how this Amazon business will work. We'll see you next time in the video.